Meet Isla Rue. And this is Harry. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some pure puppy chow so that you can make some homemade immune boosting, delicious doggy food for your doggies while you are in stay at place mode. Okay, so while you're boiling the chicken with 4 chopped up carrots, and in another pot you're cooking 1 cup of brown rice, go ahead and shred up carrots, zucchinis, and some purple cabbage. And you can also shred up red or green apples as well. Dogs also like green beans and raw broccoli. Another great immune boosting food that dogs really like is sweet potatoes or yams, and you can either bake some and use them fresh like that, or you can always have a can on hand. I like to have a can on hand, and you can either switch that out with the brown rice or add a little spoonful of it as a nice little additional treat. After you mix the rice with veggies, go ahead and add your shredded up chicken. So right when I'm about to serve the dog food, I add a little bit of powdered dog supplement to that, and I'll leave a link for you below of my new favorite supplement, and this really makes it great. If you really don't know how to combine the food properly, then you're going to give your dog all the other ingredients they need by supplementing this way, and this is really helpful, particularly for dogs who have itchy coats. So give this a try. The additional thing I add is Trader Joe's nutritional yeast, or you could use brewer's yeast. Twin Labs is a good one, or they make specific ones for dogs, and you might want to check out with your vet if this is appropriate for your dog. But yeast is sometimes really helpful for warding off ticks and fleas, and also it's got the B vitamins. It's good for your little doggy's stress life to calm your doggy down. So they also really love the taste of this, and this is what makes my dogs go nuts. Let me just show you what I'm talking about here. You ready? You love it? Do you love it? So sometimes I make an extra large batch, meaning that I cook up the rice and I cook up the chicken, and then I just use a lot more vegetables in there. And then I put half of it inside these silicone ice cube trays. And they make it so easy. These non-BPA free plastic ice cube trays are easy to turn upside down and then push the cubes of frozen dog food out of there. And for my little chihuahuas, usually 1 ice cube container is good per meal. So that makes life really handy when we're in these hunkering down days, and if you want to have extra dog food for future days with fresh veggies in there. And then be sure to label it and put a plastic bag around it and stick it in the freezer. These little poochies, they love to hang right by me in the kitchen when I'm making it, just in case there's a few carrots or zucchinis flying around that land on the floor. All right, there you have it. Pure immune boosting puppy chow. Enjoy!